Attention stock market enthusiasts, are you eager to unlock the secrets of the stock market and discover the tricks that can lead to lucrative gains? Look no further. In just 2 minutes, we will reveal a few powerful stock market tricks that will propel your portfolio to new heights. Trick number 1, timing is everything. It's crucial to understand the ebb and flow of the market. Watch for trends and patterns, as they often repeat themselves. By carefully analyzing the historical data and keeping a close eye on market indicators, you can identify prime buying and selling opportunities. Trick number 2, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes, you can minimize risk and increase your chances of long-term success. A well-diversified portfolio allows you to ride out market downturns while capitalizing on the growth of various industries. Trick number 3, stay informed. The stock market is a constantly evolving entity. Make it a habit to stay abreast of the latest news and developments affecting the companies you're invested in. Check financial news websites, follow influential investors on social media, and sign up for market alerts. This knowledge will give you a competitive edge and enable you to make informed decisions. Trick number 4, have a strategy and stick to it. Emotions can cloud judgment, so it's important to have a well-thought-out plan and stick to it. Even in times of market volatility, whether it's buying low and selling high, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or employing a specific trading strategy, having a clear plan will help you make rational decisions and avoid impulsive moves that can lead to losses. Trick number 5, seek professional advice. If you're uncertain or just starting out, consult with a qualified stock market expert. They can guide you through the intricacies of investing, provide personalized advice, and help you identify investment opportunities you may have overlooked. Remember, stock market tricks are not guaranteed recipes for success, but they can certainly increase your chances of making savvy investment decisions. By applying these techniques, you'll be on your way to mastering the stock market and achieving your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tricks today and set yourself up for a prosperous future in the world of stocks.